So the AI world is changing literally daily underneath our feet. How do you think this will influence the guest experience?
So the way that I think about AI and how it can impact the guest experience, it, to me, AI really is just another form of innovation and or an accelerant to innovation. And when I think about the different types of innovations that there are, there's really kind of you know a new product or service that is innovative and brand new, and you're taking different ideas and putting them together to create an entirely new experience for guests. And this goes with across the board, whether it's theme park or really any other service type business where AI can be used to create these experiences. So from augmented reality to who knows what other types of experiences people are going to come up with, an organization will come up with. But AI can be used in that, in creating that type of experience where you're blending the physical and digital world. You're creating personalization at scale that, I think a lot of folks have been working on for a long time. But I think at the scale that AI can take it is going to be phenomenal. So that's kind of innovative product or service. AI, though, also can be used to innovate your process. So there's innovation in your product and service, and there's innovation in your process, in your business process. And I think that's the area that is probably applicable to many, many, many other companies where optimizing, using agentic AI and optimizing business processes, using it to streamline your business, decreasing costs and being much more efficient, or creating opportunities for revenue growth, again, through personalization and other areas. So, for us, we're looking at both of those types of things. Like, where can AI create new types of experiences, and then where can we use it to create an innovative process that will allow us to deliver those experiences faster, more efficient, more effectively. And through the process of innovating your process, you can likely come up with new and creative ways of creating better experiences that we've just, as industry has been unable to achieve in the past. And so that's really exciting for me. We have seen as a world, so much growth and so much change and so much innovation in such a rapid period of time that trying to look out a few years in ahead is, really exciting, really mind blowing about what we could all do.
Yeah, at this point, I almost feel like I can only look a few months, maybe a year, but not a few years. um,
Definitely.
and as you think about bringing agentic AI or AI agents and personalization into the guest experience, you collect data in so many ways. From the point that I've made the decision to go on a trip and buy tickets to this theme park to my whole journey while I'm there. What are some of the unique ways that you're collecting this data to create a better experience?
For sure. And yeah, so we're collecting data well before you make the decision. So part of that is, we've got a phenomenal digital team that analyzes our web traffic and web behavior. So they're looking at, every page, every click, what the intent is. And obviously we're doing it in a secure and compliant way, and obviously following CCPA and all that stuff. But so we, and it's anonymized, so we do have a really good pulse on how people are engaging with our sites prior to making the decision. Our digital team is very data driven and looking at checkout behavior, bounces, abandoned carts, what products were there, what was the price point. So looking at all of that with a fine tooth comb. And then obviously bring it in and aggregate it and make it digestible for some folks. Um, Obviously, looking at the purchase behavior of our guests, especially if you're a pass holder who gets benefits and rewards and entitlements that you can redeem.